Imagine having just this much of your home, 6 inches in a flood zone, and now you're required to pay costly flood insurance. It's happening right now in Southwest Florida, and many families say they're struggling to figure out how they're going to make this work. People like Thomas Henry, who made it through Hurricanes Irma and Ian with no flooding in his home.
We never saw it coming. We figured, come on now, we're in here 8 years, never had a flood problem. Never even thought about it. And then all of a sudden, bang, here comes this letter saying, guess what?
That letter says they're now in the AE flood zone, and now they're required to get flood insurance.
We're gonna have to pay over $2,800 in one lump sum, or else we were in a world of trouble.
It's happening to families all over Southwest Florida, and it doesn't matter how much of your home is in the flood zone line.
We've had them where literally 6 inches of the corner of the house was all that was in the A zone, but that bank is required by federal statute to have a flood insurance policy covering that loan if they're in an A zone. The banks don't care how much of the house is in the A zone, they want flood insurance on it, because they don't want to deal with the audits from FEMA.
It's left many homeowners struggling to find the extra thousands of dollars to cover their homes and asking why this is happening at all. Reed McDaniel says this is actually standard practice.
The big thing is there's a lot of folks with Hurricane Ian that said, I've been here a long time and I've never had a flood, and they lost everything. So it is important that it's being redone, and it is being done to protect you.
There are some ways to soften the blow. You can apply for an elevation certificate to try and get a better premium rate.
There's also discounts for flood vents and floodproofing materials, so there are some discounts available out there.
The Florida legislature will hold a special session next week. They plan to focus specifically on property insurance and property taxes. You can count on NBC2 to keep you updated on any solutions they find. Reporting local in Cape Coral, for NBC2, I'm Ashley Graham.